you want to learn Cisco CCNA from the very basics to the advanced level, then you are in the right place. Hi, my name is Abhishek Gupta and I am teaching Cisco CCNA from last 8 years, and more than 1000 students have already enrolled my course and are happy in their career. In my course, I have included all the concept of CCNA according to latest syllabus, and all the concepts are explained in the theory and practical. Whatever practical lab we are going to create in the course, you will be allowed to download so that you can easily practice it at your home. Not only this, I am also going to share with you all the important notes, ebook, plus most commonly asked questions, so that later you can also very easily crack the interview as well. If you still have a doubt whether you should enroll the course or not, I am giving you 7 days money back guarantee. I am sure you are going to love my course, but somehow if you are not happy, your full amount will be refunded. So enroll the course right now and take your first step towards success.